Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. I know today I sound like a frog. I'm a bit under the weather, but I decided that this year I'm not going to let anything stop me. I'm going to be consistent. So just bear with me, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix your false lashes. I'm going to be as detailed and as precise as possible. So the things you're going to be needing for your lashes, of course, you're going to need a pair of lashes, and I'm going to be using this one that I got from AliExpress. You're also going to need a mascara. You're going to need a tweezer if you are comfortable using a tweezer. I personally like to use my hands most times, but you could use a tweezer as well. And you're also going to need a lash glue. So what you want to do is, after removing the lash from the pack, if it comes in this kind of pack, you want to bend it this way and then carefully take the lash out of the pack like this, and your lash is out. The first thing you want to do when you get the lash out of the pack is to cut out this excess, what would I call it now? Just this stuff at the edges of the lashes, because they are not necessary. You don't need them. It's just going to make the lash uncomfortable when you fix them without removing it. So you're just going to take a pair of scissors and cut just this tiny part. That thing, you're just going to cut it out. You also have to differentiate which one is meant for the left eye and which one is meant for the right eye. So now you're going to move on to apply the lash glue on the lash line carefully. This is what it looks like with the lash glue on, and for this glue you need to leave it to get tacky bits. And when I say tacky, I mean not too dry and not too wet. So we're going to leave that to dry down a little bit before we put it on. So I'm going to do the same thing on the second lash as well. Now that I'm waiting for the lash glue to get tacky, I'm going to move on to apply my mascara to my natural lash. Now we're ready to place the lashes on. The lash is tacky enough, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, I like to use my hands, but you could use a tweezer if that's more comfortable for you. So what you're going to do is look down and you gradually place the lash on. So when you place it on, you hold it down for 10 seconds, count 1 to 10. Now that the middle is on, we're going to move on to the side, hold it down again and count 1 to 10. So moving on to the front, and we're going to do the same, count 1 to 10. Most of the time, the front is the one that takes longer to glue down. Sometimes maybe you get teary-eyed, just like I did a while ago. So you just want to keep going back and forth and holding it down. So I think that's fine now. So go in and check that everything is placed properly and where you want it to be. We're going to move on to do the same thing on the other eye. We're just going to hold the lash in the middle and put it, look down, then place your lash. So hold in the middle 10 seconds. When everything is placed correctly, you want to move on to lock your lashes with you want to move on to lock the false lashes with your natural lashes, just like so. So just press together to make sure everything is secure. Just so we don't see that line of demarcation where your falsies are and where your natural lashes are. I do not like when I see those stuff. Make sure you always lock it together. And some people, you would even see powder over there. If you see powder, you can just go back in with your mascara and just brush the powder out. So always make sure that you go back in with your mascara in case you see powder or any line of demarcation. So when you're done applying your mascara, go back in and press the lash on again, and that's pretty much it. I know it can be very frustrating when you've been fighting with your lash, like when you slayed all your makeup and it's just this lash that is refusing to glue down. I know how it feels. You just have to keep practicing. With lashes, you just need constant practice, and don't try to do everything at once. Start from, if you like to start from the back, but I'll advise that you start from the middle. Just look down and place the lash as close to your lash line as possible, and start from the middle, hold it down, move to the side, move to the front. Just just make it like a gradual process. Don't try to do everything at once so you don't end up messing it up. And that's pretty much it for this video. Please do not forget to like, drop comments, let me know if this was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.